Welcome to the top best. The best B-17 Flying Fortress is probably one of the most iconic aircraft in history, a symbol of courage and innovation during World War II. This heavy bomber, with its distinctive design and formidable firepower, played a crucial role in the Allied victory. Today, we're diving deep into the history, design, and impact of this legendary aircraft, exploring why it remains a fascinating subject for aviation enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Number 5. Legends Never Die B-17 Framed Photos 12x15. This is a beautifully matted collector's photo presentation. It's handmade in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship. The collage includes an 8x10 photo, a 3x5 photo, and a biography. It's a great way to remember the history. All photos and the biography are mounted on bevel-cut double matting under glass. This protects the images and gives them a professional look. It comes framed in a beautifully sculpted black lacquered frame. It's ready for hanging, making it easy to display. Extra care is given to packing and shipping to prevent damage. You can be sure that it will arrive in perfect condition. What we like. This framed photo is meticulously handcrafted in the USA, ensuring quality and attention to detail. It's a collector's item, featuring a stunning 8x10 photo, an additional 3x5 photo, and a biography, all beautifully matted under glass. If you're looking for a unique piece of aviation history to adorn your wall, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate both history and art. What people say. Very nice print. The B-17 Flying Fortress will never die. With this beautiful framed double-matted photos, the B-17 will live forever. This framed artwork looks great hanging above the Memphis Belle model. Number 4. Revell of Germany B-17G Flying Fortress. This model features a highly detailed cockpit, allowing you to see the intricate design. It provides an immersive experience for model enthusiasts. The kit includes an opening bomb bay, adding another layer of realism. You can choose to display it open or closed, showcasing the internal details. This model has multiple moving parts, enhancing its interactive features. These moving parts add to the overall enjoyment of the model. The kit comes with separate bombs, allowing for customization. You can arrange them in the bomb bay to create a realistic display. Included is a decal sheet with markings for 2 versions. This allows you to choose your preferred design for the aircraft. The model is composed of 152 pieces, offering a challenging and rewarding building experience. It's a great project for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. This model is built at a 1-hour 72-minute scale, providing a detailed representation. The scale allows for a great balance of detail and size. What we like. This model kit boasts a super detailed cockpit and an opening bomb bay, offering an immersive building experience. It includes multiple moving parts and separate bombs, allowing for customization. If you are a model enthusiast who enjoys intricate details and wants to recreate the iconic B-17G, you should consider this. What people say. The B-17 is a very detailed model. The engines and props are very well done. The landing gear is also very detailed. Number 3. Testors B-17 Flying Fortress Model Kit, Silver. This pre-painted model replicates the iconic B-17 Flying Fortress with incredible detail. It's a fantastic way to bring a piece of aviation history to life. Forget about messy glue or cement. This kit features a snap and screw design, and a screwdriver is included. It makes the assembly process simple and enjoyable. With only 13 pieces, you can have this model assembled in an hour or less. It's a great project for a quick and satisfying build. Designed for skill level 1, this kit is perfect for beginners and modelers aged 8 and up. It's a great introduction to the world of model building. The model is built to a 1:100 scale, making it a detailed and impressive display piece. It's a great addition to any collection. What we like. This pre-painted model replicates the B-17 Flying Fortress with incredible detail, and it's designed for easy assembly. The snap and screw design means no glue is required, and it comes together in an hour or less. If you're looking for a quick and easy project, or if you're introducing a young person to the world of model building, this is a great option. What people say. The B17 is a very detailed and accurate model. The engines and propellers are very well done. The landing gear is also well detailed and functional. Number 2. Daron B17 Flying Fortress, My Gal Sal diecast model. This is a detailed replica of the B17 Flying Fortress, famously known as My Gal Sal. It represents one of the legendary World War II bombers. The model is perfect for aviation enthusiasts and history buffs. Officially licensed, this model accurately portrays My Gal Sal. The original aircraft was known for its resilience and played a key role in strategic daylight bombing missions. It's a great collectible. This model celebrates the story of My Gal Sal, recovered and restored after a dramatic Greenland ice cap landing. It's a perfect addition to any collection, celebrating a piece of history. At a 1:155 scale, this model is approximately 5.12 inches long with an 8-inch wingspan. Its compact size makes it ideal for display on a desktop or shelf. It is easy to showcase. Made of durable die-cast metal, this model includes a plastic display stand. The materials ensure both intricate detail and lasting durability. It's built to last. Part of Daron's postage stamp collection, designed for adult collectors aged 14+. It combines historical accuracy with collectible quality. This is a trusted brand. What we like. This die-cast metal model is an authentic historical replica of the B17 Flying Fortress, My Gal Sal. It's a collector's showcase, perfect for aviation enthusiasts and history buffs. If you are a collector who appreciates historical accuracy and wants a durable, detailed model for display, then you should consider this. What people say. The B17 is a very detailed model. The engines and propellers are very well done. The landing gear is also very well done. Number 1. American B17 Flying Fortress WW2 T-shirt. This T-shirt pays tribute to the iconic B17 Flying Fortress, a symbol of American air power during World War II. It's a comfortable and stylish way to honor the brave men and women who served. The design features a detailed graphic of the B17, capturing its powerful presence. This shirt is a great conversation starter for history buffs and aviation enthusiasts. Made from high-quality materials, this T-shirt is designed for comfort and durability. It's perfect for everyday wear or as a unique gift. Wear this shirt with pride and show your appreciation for the history of the B17. The design is printed with care, ensuring it lasts. If you're an aviation enthusiast or a history lover, this T-shirt is a must-have. It's a wearable piece of history that you can enjoy. What we like. This WW2-themed T-shirt is a comfortable way to show your appreciation for the B17 Flying Fortress. It's a great conversation starter and a stylish way to express your interests. If you like to wear your passion on your sleeve, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I love the graphic and colors on this T-shirt. Very nice design. Grandson loved it after touring an actual B-17 plane. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.